Hello, I'm Don Gillis, carpentry constructor, New England Carpenters Training Fund, Brockton High School. Today we're going to have a safety lesson on the proper use of a circular saw. Circular saw is one of the most common power tools used out in the construction site and often used improperly. So today I'm going to show you how to safety cross-cut a sheet of plywood, full length, full width. First thing you need to do is check out your circular saw. Examine the cord, make sure there aren't any slices, broken prongs, anything like that could affect the electrical nature. And check your bottom slide guard, make sure that's working, top guard in shape. Your plate, it's not moving on you, everything's nice and tight. You can see it has two handles on it, that means two hands on it at all times. So the first thing we want to do while it's unplugged, check it for the depth of our material. So I'm going to set it so it's just about 1/8 of an inch thicker than the material. That way, should anything get under the material, which is not too, it'll minimize the depth of the cut. So we'll set through the depth of our cut, and also give you a cleaner cut when it's just set to go through. Saw's all set, everything's in working order. We're going to make sure we're plugged into a GFCI, which we have right here, and that's working. So we're going to come over. Before we're going to plug in, make sure we have plenty of extra cord so that we don't get snagged or tagged up on anything. Make sure our personal protective equipment, get our safety glasses, sleeves are rolled up, anything dangling is tucked in. Now, in order to make this full rip cut, guys typically do is rip across, extend the hand over all the way. You need to keep two hands on the handle at all times. So in order to do that, do it accurately, use straight edge. You could rip one on a table saw, make your own. Or I got this store-bought one. Now what I did before I plugged in, measured from the outside of the base plate to the inside of the blade. That's at 5 1/8 inches. So that means I gotta set this guard at 5 1/8 inches inside the cut I want. I want 16 inches, means I gotta 5 1/8 more, 21 1/8. I've already made my marks here. I'm gonna line up on both sides. You can see that adjust, slide it down on my mark. Slide this on my mark, push it down. Now I'm good to go. Next thing I want to do, my saw's all adjusted, everything's in working order. I'm going to plug this in. I'm not going to put tension on this. I'm going to let it have enough cord to go with me. Now, what I need to do, start this up. Two hands on the saw at all times, like that, smoothly. I'm going to stop, make sure I have a good balance, I don't want to overreach. Come back around, pull it back up. Let it start outside. Nice clean cut. And that's how you do a nice, safe and straight cut to circular saw.